A customer recently asked us which home security camera brands offer cloud storage. Well, there are quite a few, but they don't all work the same way. Google Nest is very cloud focused with additional video history available through Google Home Premium subscriptions. Hikvision offers cloud storage through Hik-Connect with subscription options for storing video off-site. Hanwha Wisenet SKY is truly cloud first. Video is stored in the cloud with different retention options available. Reolink offers cloud backup on supported cameras and regions with both free and paid options depending on the plan. And then there's Ubiquiti UniFi Protect, which takes a different approach. Your video is stored locally, but you can archive footage offsite to services like Google Drive or Dropbox. So here's the important question. Do you want your cameras to be cloud first, locally stored, or both? Because there's a big difference between having remote access to your cameras and actually having your video stored somewhere offsite. And there's something you should consider before you buy cameras. If you like this video and the information I provided, hit that like button, subscribe, and have a great day. Stay safe and secure.